Hello, good afternoon. I'm Kelly. That's the peanuts, right? Then pack them into bags. The roasted coated peanuts. And now today we mainly introduce you about
frying peanuts.
Yeah, frying line. Yeah. So this machine is for what?
So you can say this is one continuous frying machine.
This frying machine is water and oil combined type.
Yeah.
And mix the combined type. For example, it is like this: the oil and water together in the machine.
Yes, you know, because the oil is light.
Yeah.
It's more lighter than water. So when you put the oil and water into this machine, the water will
in the bottom.
At the bottom,
Yeah.
and the oil will be above the water.
Yes.
So like this is water and this is oil.
Yeah. What's the advantage about this type of frying machine?
In frying, because there will some waste in frying. So the waste will drop into the water.
Yeah.
Will drop in water, so it will not stay in the oil.
Yeah.
So for this way, it can extend the oil life. So you can use the oil for a longer time. It can save your cost to buy oil.
Yeah, and also the impurities during frying, the impurities will be discharged with the water together from the two mouths. And this part, you can see this mirror, and almost the customer asks us how many oil and how many water we need to pour into the machine. Yeah, how we can to know that.
If you can see the water and the oil combination level, line, level, you can, as long as you can see the line, then it is okay.
Yes.
It is okay. You need to confirm you can see the line by this mirror.
It's 230, right?
No.
2/3 or 1/3.
All is okay.
All is okay.
As long as you can see the line.
Oh, yeah. As long as you see the line, then it will be
through
okay.
this mirror, yeah.
Oh, so you know it now? Yeah. This is electric cabinet.
Yeah, it is the control box. You can see there are some different buttons. You can see. So this one, you can see this one. It is the emergency stop. Like this, and this button is for switch for heating and for oil pump for delivery, for filling and rising. You can these two buttons are used to control the cover, machine cover. You can see the machine cover. So if you want to clean this machine, you can raise this cover for cleaning.
And this part is the temperature, right? Temperature of the oil.
Yes, you are right.
Yeah.
You can see the first line. First line is for showing the temperature, and this second line, this part, this screen is used to
the oil temperature.
To change the temperature.
Yeah.
And you can see the down button and this is the up button.
Yeah. And this part is for the time. You can see it clearly. The time controller. For example, if you set the time for frying for many minutes, then you set it here. After once the time is up, then it will stop. Frying, right? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and you know if you need to fry different materials.
Yeah.
Yes, of course you need to fry peanut and meat and other materials. So you will need a different frying time.
And also different the temperature.
Yes.
Yeah. For different materials. And for peanuts, so what's the degree of the peanuts is usually be used?
We normally recommend the customer to use 170.
170.
And two 180 degree.
So
it is a temperature range.
So the peanuts during in the temperature range, the finished peanuts after frying will be better and good taste, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. So at last, let's continue. Yeah. Maybe we can show the belt to the customer. Yeah, you
this
can
one.
see from here the belt. The belt is what's the material of the belt? Yeah, what's the material?
You can see we have. You can see we have our machine has two layers, layers of conveyor. So what's the function? If we use one layer, as some lighter material will float at the surface of oil, so it cannot be fried very well.
Yeah, not
so
uniform.
so we use two layers conveyor. The material will be cracked in the middle.
Yeah.
So it can be confirmed. All material will be fried totally.
So the two layers conveyor is to make sure the material can totally in the oil. Yeah, totally soak
Yes,
in
you are
oil.
right. Yeah,
Yes,
you are right.
yeah.
Okay, and the customer said he wanted to see the semi-automatic and basket frying, different kinds of frying machine.
Oh, it's okay. Now we go to introduce the semi-automatic one.
Okay.
This tab is round pot tab, frying machine. This part is with the mixing device with the mixing device.
Yeah.
What about the capacity?
This one, this model has 1 meter diameter. You can see diameter. Diameter of this pot is 1 meter. And at present we have three models. One diameter 1 meter and 1.2 meter and 1.5 meters. So we have three models and they have different capacities. For this one, if you want to fry peanuts, you can put about 20 kilograms in one batch. So if you can fry 10 times in hour, so the capacity will be about 200 kilograms in hour.
This tab is also the water and oil combined mixed together tab. And generally, after this frying machine, we will combine this tab oil removing machine.
Water oil.
Yeah. This oil removing machine, the function is the working system is to
Rotary,
to remove the oil. We also have another manually tapped basket tap frying machine, right? Okay, go. Let's do that, please. Yeah, this is the simplest tap.
You need to put your material in this basket.
Yeah.
It is very easy to operate like this.
After frying, then you push them out. It will be okay. Yeah. You can see. Wait. You can see the heating tube here. The electric cabinet is similar with the continuous tap. The temperature and at the bottom. The capacity is about one basket. The capacity is about 50 kg, right? Yeah. This is double basket. Double basket.
So the capacity is about 100 in hour.
100 kg per hour.
And you can see we have different models. More pieces of basket, more bigger capacity.
Yes. This type oil frying machine is for the newcomer. We advise this type. And generally, for the commercial use, for the big capacity, we generally recommend that continuous type.
Continuous, yeah.
Yes, it is much more save the labor, right? Save the labor and the line is continuous type. So now let's go back to the continuous type frying line.
And one more point that I need to tell you, we sort of like customized service. So you can see this one. It has one gas burner. Gas burner. So at present we sort of like two kinds heating type, electric heating and gas heating. So you can tell us which kind you want, and we can customize the machine for you.
Yeah, you can see the gas.
So so for your city, if the gas is cheaper than electricity, you can choose the gas. And on the contrary, you can choose the electric heating.
Yeah. From the after the frying machine, there will be more oil on the face of the peanut. So the oil removing machine is necessary.
Mm.
Here from the frying machine. From the frying machine, the peanut after frying will be discharged directly to the oil removing machine, removing line. And this type of machine can also have the function of cooling the peanut, right?
Yes.
Yeah, because there are many fans in the machine. Why we customize the belt like this? Because if like this, it makes sure it can remove the oil and cool the peanuts by different size of the
yes.
of the peanut.
It will have better performance.
Yes. So generally, after oil removing, so next step, how we can process it.
Flavoring.
Yeah, flavoring.
Flavoring and coating, and after that you can pack them.
Yeah, pack them into bags, then you can sell to the market after. Yeah. So if you have more.
If you want more details, you can tell us directly.
Yeah, you can also leave your emails or WhatsApp online, and then our colleague will send more introduce to you. And for peanut, there are many different kinds they processing out, right?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, so if you have interest about it, you can also let us know. Then we will offer
Yes,
best
of
solution
course.
for you.
Yes, and we also would like to show you different solutions.
Yes. So have a good day.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
So that's all today. Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you next time. Bye.